thank you for coming. It's great that I've been able to meet a lot of you over the last couple of days. Haven't been able to meet everyone, but for those of you that don't know me, I'm Rich Minton. I'm an annuity brokerage specialist, and I actually work in Indianapolis. I'm not based here in Arizona, though sometimes I wish I were, being that especially during the winter months. But prior to Brokers Alliance, just a little bit about myself. I worked for, I was regional VP for Standard Life of Indiana. It's an insurance company, and that's how I really got to know Joe and Eric, presenting our products, trying to get them to promote us to their agent base. And over the course of my time there, I got to know a lot of marketing groups, and I would see what they would do to really promote themselves as well as other products. And what I really liked about Brokers Alliance is they're doing things a lot differently than everybody else. And what I want to talk to you today about are some of the technology that we have on our website that you may or may not have seen before, and highlight some of the areas that I think can really benefit you and your business. So if we can get to the presentation. I don't know if I need to. Here we go. So I want to talk about, again, today, on-demand tools and technology. Talk about the website. And first of all, we'll talk about some of the search tools, the quoting tools, the illustration software that we have available for you. And something that Steve had talked a little bit about, the on-demand videos and technology that he's put a ton of work in over the past year. And I'll highlight some of the annuity-specific ideas that we've hit on. But to start, this is what I do pretty much when I start my day. Go to brokersalliance.com, and we highlight the Annuities and Marketing tab on the left-hand side. And you'll see that the third tab down where the big red arrow is, the Annuity Product Search. Now, a lot of you may have seen this. Has anyone done this on our website before? Gone to the Annuity Product Search? Really easy to do. So if you're looking for, say, a multi-year guarantee, 5-year product, who has the best rate, you can find it here. But one area I wanted to highlight is the FIA rider comparison. If you're selling index annuities, chances are you're adding an income rider. And this is a great tool to use because the industry is changing so often and so quickly. I think Eric alluded to it in our March update. You can compare different income riders, and here I just highlighted 3, Aviva, Forethought, and North American. And these will give you the specs on all of them. If you want to see if it's a simple interest or compounding, what the payoff factor is, say, at 70 years old. This will have the detail here. Really easy to use, and always you want to highlight what state you're in because all riders are not the same in certain states. Oh, may have skipped a slide there, but one area that we want to highlight also is that in the, see if I can go back here. There we go. You can also run illustrations from this, and Aaron's going to talk a little bit about this later today. Basically, you can run specific historical illustrations using current caps on whichever product you want. Not all the products will be available, but it's all part of the program here. And Eric will go, or Aaron, I should say, will go through a great case study that we do. So again, if you want to call, we can run these illustrations for you. But if it's after hours or on the weekends, we want to make sure that you know where to find the information. And before I jump to the next part, there are actually 2 other, quoting tools that we have access to that aren't available on the website right now. One is annuityspecs.com. Has anyone heard of Cheryl Moore? She's a, thanks, Aaron. She is a industry analyst when it comes to, really industry expert when it comes to index annuities and index universal life. And really it's a great tool to pull up not only current products, but also products that have been discontinued. Looking at all the different product specs that are available. A great example of how I used this recently was working with an agent. He had a case, he was replacing an annuity, didn't have the product specs on the previous product because he didn't write it. And it was actually a bank product. So we didn't actually have access to it. I went to the carrier website. We didn't have the information there. So what I did was I went to annuityspecs.com, found the product specs, and I helped him fill out the product comparison form. If you're writing annuity business right now, you know that you need to fill out that product comparison detailing the replaced product as well as the new product. And since we had access to that information, the application went a lot smoother through suitability. When it goes smoother through suitability, it's issued faster, and you're paid faster. So if you're looking for product details on something that you may not have heard about, let us know. We can probably get access to it. And the last part I want to talk about is vital signs. I know we use it a lot on the life side, but we do also use it on the annuity side, usually for information on a carrier's financials. If the carrier brochure doesn't have enough, that the client wants to see more detail on what their assets are, how much is in A-rated bonds, whatever it is, we can get access to you, or give it access to you through vital signs. Great tool. So now let's see if we can move forward to video. The video that we had on earlier is just one of close to, I believe, 200 videos now that we've done over the last year. Steve's really done an unbelievable job of putting together videos on a range of topics covering the insurance industry, but you might want to know why we decided to go in this direction with video. A lot of it comes down to time management. We're all busy, and it is tough to get information or find time to learn about different ideas, whether it's a product idea, sales concept, something that you may want to go back to. This is available to you when you want it at any time. And I'll show you where to find access to this information on the website. Gives us the ability to cover a lot of different topics, whether it's life, annuity, long-term care, disability, you name it, we'll cover it. And I think we can all agree that when it comes to email, we all get way too many. Chances are we delete a lot of emails that we probably shouldn't, or we want to go back to emails that we meant to read, but we eventually don't. This way, we eliminate that. Now, where to find access to these videos? Try it again. There we go. Again, really easy to find where that video is, but where to find access to the on-demand section, it's right below. You can see the bigger arrow pointed at on-demand videos. And when you click on that, that'll bring up the last, I'd say, 30 or 40 videos that Steve has done. It'll give you a brief synopsis of what that is, so if you're interested, click on the video and watch it. But you can see right below Eric, other tabs, Facebook, Twitter, the YouTube and the Vimeo links. That will give you access to all the videos that we've done over the course of the last year. So again, close to 200 videos. And if you want to find information just on index annuities, type in index annuity in the search tab, and it'll pull up all of the index annuity videos that we've done over the last year. Some of the topics that we covered, that we talk about, different product updates. Again, the business changes quickly when it comes to life, annuity, long-term care. We want to give you a quick hit on these updates. We do some sales training and review. A great video that we did not too long ago was with a national sales trainer from one of the carriers. And whether you've been in the business for a short period of time or a long time, he talked about how to get a referral. He talked about how to overcome an objection. Some things that maybe you got training on this 20 years ago. Maybe you never got any training on it. But it's great to go back, get a quick little refresher on it. Maybe it's something you can tweak your practice a little bit here and there. Go back and take a look. And we really hit on a lot of unique sales concepts and different ideas. This is really, I think, what it comes down to, how to help your business, give you some different things to build into your practice, and it's all available for you there. Now, again, I want to highlight three different annuity featured videos. We won't play the videos, but just want to point them out. Eric and Steve do a monthly product update on annuities. It'll kick off right around the first of every month, and just like we heard earlier, we're talking about what products are launching, what products have been discontinued, who might be leading in, say, the highest caps, what riders have changed, as well as some different sales ideas that go along with this. Talking about maybe laddering annuities, or even impaired risk SPIAs. Something like that might come up. So again, 30 minutes, you watch it to start your day, end your day, however you want to do it. It's there for you. Now, the people that participate in these videos, really a vast array of people that Steve interviews, really we wanted the best industry analysts and experts. People like Cheryl Moore, other sales trainers from the leading insurance carriers that we work with. And these are sales directors that will come on, talk about their product, but also give you sales ideas at how to use those products. What niche does this product fit? How do you use this product in everyday business situations? And Brokers Alliance senior staff, I think this is a great way to introduce you to people like Eric, people like Jessica Lopez, Joe Rasich. It's really well done, and I think it gives a little added personal touch as to who you're dealing with on a daily basis. And one of the videos I wanted to highlight here regarding the industry analyst is Cheryl Moore. Steve and Cheryl did a 5-part video, there he goes, talking about the state of the index universal life and index annuity business. And this, I believe, was has been the most popular video to date, where we've had, I believe, close to 40 or maybe even 50,000 clicks on this link. Has anyone seen this video? Excellent. So if you haven't, again, it's a 5-part series. Starts on the very basics, talking about some of the leading carriers in Index Universal Life and Index Annuities, but it builds into some of the more advanced concepts, and it also gives a great update on 151A. So if you're a registered rep, securities license, gives you a great update there. How can you benefit? I think we touched on that a little bit, just talking about this is a great way to keep you up to date on the latest product news and industry updates. And really what we want to try to do here is help you create new sales opportunities. Talk about how to get in front of new clients, how to, if you're maybe a life insurance agent that wants to sell more annuities, give you some ideas there, or vice versa. If you're only selling annuities, how do you sell life insurance? Or maybe you've never sold either and you're strictly a P&C agent and you want to sell more of these products. This is a great place to start. Take your time, go through, find what's of interest to you. And bottom line, we want to help you increase your overall production. Whether you had a great year last year or it wasn't so good, bottom line, we want to make this year a better year. The final video I wanted to highlight is with Steve, and this is Rodney Balance. Rodney Balance you may have seen on, I think he's on Producer's Web. He's an agent himself, been in the business over 20 years, but he's also a professor of personal finance. And Rodney has developed what he calls a referral system. It's not a lead generation system, it's a referral system. And for those of you that have been in the business for a while and have tried different lead systems, we all know that a lot of them just don't work. They don't work as advertised. We've done a lot of research on these programs, and this one is definitely one to watch. Did a 5-part series on this, and the idea here is that people want to learn a little bit about personal finance. Rodney will actually come out to your area. You as the agent, or as he calls them, the ambassador, will have an exclusive territory. He'll come out, do a 5-part program, and train people either in, say, a church or a local organization about personal finance. There's a monthly fee attached to this, but because you have an exclusive right to this, once he goes through the program, he will say, well, if anyone is ready to put this program in place, talk to your ambassador. He's right here, she's right here, and there's the referral system right there. So you're already working with or in front of people that want to know about personal finance, putting a plan in place. From what I've seen, at least, I think this is definitely, if you're looking for a way to get in front of new clients, this is one to check out. Ooh. Next steps. Where do we go from here? Joe Rasich, as you know, the founder of Brokers Alliance, he's always reminding us to be students of the business. Things are changing so quickly, whether it's product, concept, whatever, we always need to be and stay on top of different ideas so that we can be better prepared to handle you and work with you to improve your business. So hopefully I can encourage you to all do the same. And we really want to embrace the technology and social media that we're all experiencing right now. And I think we're really just at the tip of the iceberg here with the videos, and I know Steve just alluded to it, the Facebook, the LinkedIn, the Twitter. All these things are things that we can help you to build into your business. Maybe you're not very computer savvy. I know I'm really not. But these are areas that we can really help you, whether you have a website yourself or maybe your wife is a Facebook, all different things that we can help you to leverage your business. And we all know that you have a lot of different choices when it comes to working with marketing organizations. And for those of you that have been working with us, we appreciate your business, look forward to working with you. And for those of you that haven't started working with us yet, we look to hopefully build a really successful partnership and have a great 2012. So that's it. If you have any questions, be happy to help.